Good morning. Today we are going to learn about the physiography and drainage of India. The India physical, it is divided into five main parts. The first part is the Himalayan range, which covers from the north till the eastern part of India. We can see many ranges like the Karakoram range, the Ladakh range, the Pir Panjal range over here, and the last, which is the Shivalik range. Okay. Now, next comes the North Indian plains. The North Indian plains are maximum it starts after the Himalayan range till the center of the India. See North Indian plains. This comes till here, this much it covers. Next comes the Karakoram. Next comes the Indian Peninsula, which is the tapered portion of India. Comes the eastern coast and the western coast. We will see the eastern coast from here till the end of Indian Peninsula and comes here on the west side, the western coast, which covers this much portion. Comes the tapered part is the Indian Peninsula, and the last, the fifth one, are the islands on both the sides. Here in Arabian Sea we can see Lakshadweep Islands, and Bay of Bengal we can see the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, at the end we can observe the Indian Ocean. Now at the center, which are the ranges? The first one is Aravali range. The Aravali range. Just below the northern plains comes the Aravali range, and from there below this it comes the Bundelkhand and the Vindhya range. The Vindhya range. After that, Satpura ranges in the MP. Here we can see the Satpura ranges. The Western Ghats, these are the Ghats on the west side, and maximum their depth is very high. Whereas in the Eastern Ghats, most of the eastern part, they are not as deep. It is shallow. And that is why in the Sundarbans, we can find the mangroves. Sundarbans are here in the West Bengal, and maximum part is in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Now comes the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The last point of India is the Indira Point. Indira Point. This is the last point of India. And the last point of Indian Peninsula, it is called Kanyakumari, which is over here. India, it is Aravali range. The Aravali range, it is in the Rajasthan part. The Great Indian Desert is in Rajasthan part, and a part of it is in Pakistan as well. Here we can see the Great Indian Desert. The northern plains are after the Himalayan ranges. It covers mostly the Indian Peninsula, and it comes till Indian Peninsula. Here we can see again most of the part is the Sahyadri ranges. The Sahyadri ranges and the Maharashtra plateau you can see over here. This forms the various parts and the five different parts of Indian Peninsula. To repeat with me, you can say as the first part is the Himalayas, second one is First is the Himalayas. Second one is the North Indian plains. Third part is the peninsular region, which comes till here. Fourth part is the eastern. Thus, we have seen the various five parts of the Indian physiography and drainage. The first part is the Himalayan range, Great Indian Desert, comes the North Indian plains, both the Indian peninsula, and on both the sides we can see the eastern and western Ghats. On both the oceans we can see, in Bay of Bengal we can see the Andaman Nicobar, and in Arabian Sea we can see the Lakshadweep Islands. At the end we see Indian Ocean. Thank you.